Banahene tutorial collections welcomes you to the lesson 5 of special characters in Microsoft Word. I already have the lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 posted on this particular channel. Please, you can check on the home page of this Banahene tutorial collection channel and get access to other lessons of the special characters in Microsoft Word. In today's video, we are going to also insert 15 characters, and also stick to the end. I'll provide you with 3 bonuses you can use that also will amaze you to get some characters in your Word document creation. Now, the first on my list is, we have this particular symbol, this symbol, and also we have this symbol. So as usual, when you insert your Unicode characters, you just hold the Alt key and the letter X to convert that into your special character. So let's move on. So all these are currency symbols. This is the undo symbol. This is the print icon. The next one we are going to talk about is the dwindle symbol. So we have this fraction. The next one is also going to be a fraction. We have this superscript number. So I provided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I have added another one to it, making 16 special characters. Now let me show you the 3 bonuses I want to share with you. The first one is to insert fraction, that is 1/2 into your Word document. In case you are typing a mathematical question and you need the 1/2 fraction inserted into your Word document, you can use this particular code or Unicode. So you type BD and hold the Alt key and the letter X to convert this into the 1/2 character. The next one is BC. So BD gives you the 1/2 fraction, BC gives you the 1/4, and BE provides you with the 3/4. So all these are very important in document creation. So anytime you want to use any of these characters or special characters, just look at their Unicode and hold the Alt key and the letter X to convert that into your special characters. These are the characters we've learned in this particular video. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you in the next lesson.